Hello from London's Gatwick Airport. I'm about to fly on a brand new airline to me. It's called Air Transat. It's Canadian. I'm flying to Montreal and I'm flying club class. Let's check it out. There's my plane on the tarmac. It's an Airbus A321. I can see written on it. 2C. That's my seat. So it's not club class, as we know club class, it's more like premium economy, but the seat is comfortable. I'll show you the recline in a bit and I'll show you the foot space as well as the goodie bag. Here's the leg room. It's all right. It's not massive leg room, but it's spacious. Nice to have the footrest there. It's not that much better than economy, a little bit better than regular economy. And now for the goodie bag. So we've got a pair of socks, we've got lip balm, hand cream, toothbrush, eye mask and some earplugs. Mine's a day flight, but we also have a blanket I think in here. We'll take that out in a second. So I'm going to try the recline of the seat. They've given me permission to do so. I'm not going to hit the bogey. Let's see how far back we go.
He is on his way back to
Like so, not bad. So as well as reclining, there's also a bit here that goes back. If I press this button here, whoa, that comes up, that's quite nice. And then if I go slowly back again, actually, you know what? That's pretty good. That is pretty good. I'm going to give you that, Air Transat. That's much better than I imagined. This is nice. There's a nice complimentary bottle of water in the holder there, in between the seats.
This is the weight and balance purposes. Thank you.
Orange juice, please. Thank you. I'm actually really impressed with how wide the seats are. I've never noticed the width of the seat before. This is really, really wide and comfortable. Loads of space around me.
What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, keep the sky in your mind.
That was a really good flight. Very comfortable seats, good food, friendly crew, and that all made the journey pass really quickly. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The little circle are going to come up on the screen round about there. Click on it. Happy travelling!